Hi everyone, it's Tatiana. I'm back again. I am obsessed with this card kit and I want to show you some more cards that I've been making. I took the card that is a folding card and I cut out the panel that has the little X's on it, and I'm going to use the small flower stamp from the kit. And once again, like in my video from yesterday, if you didn't see that, I will link it below. I'm going to do some all over stamping with some Rococo Rose, which is the matching color for this piece of paper here. And as much as I liked this stamp in blue on the last card that I made, I really like it in this color on this piece of paper. It's like a whole different look. It's just so pretty, and I just wanted to make something with it. So I'll just quickly finish the stamping here so that we can get on to the rest of the card. This just goes really quickly. As I said yesterday, you just have to keep turning. See, I don't like that I've put two together there the same direction, but I'm trying to go quickly here. Just keep turning the stamp as many different ways as you can so that it looks a little more random. Okay, one more piece to go. There we go. I'll just clean this off quickly. All right, so we have this pretty piece of paper here. And what I'm going to do is bring in a card base. And I'm just going to attach this to this regular size card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And sometimes I like to decide whether it looks better in which orientation I like it best in. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I have this little die cut piece from the kit, and I'm just going to put that somewhere here. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to put it. And I've got this Celebrate piece that is a foam sticker, and I'm going to lay that down there. So I guess that's good right there. We'll just center it, I guess. And we'll just peel and stick with this foam piece because it's so easy. And I'm going to layer it on top of the pattern paper and the card base. And I have another little chocolate cake that I've made, and I'm going to put that right in the middle. And as you can see, the chocolate cake has a few little sequins on it already, but I think we're going to add some more because I think that would look nice. And I've already pre-stickered up these sequins. I put some glue dots on the back so that it would be faster for the video. And we'll just kind of scatter those around. You can put as many of these as you want. I mean, they say to use the number 3 or an odd number, so there, I'll just leave it at that. And so there's the first card. Isn't that pretty? I love that one. I absolutely love that one. It has the shape of a Polaroid photo, and then that pretty cake piece, I just love it. Okay, so that's the first card. And then for the second card, I decided to show you a little technique that I sometimes use for my cards, and it involves daubers again, these famous daubers that I've been using a lot of this month. And I'm going to bring in my inks a little closer in so that we can access them. And today I'm using, let's see here, how many inks are there? There's 6 different ink colors, and it's just the inks that I had on my desk yesterday that I was using to color the cake with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to daub a little bit, and I'm just going to make a twist motion to actually make a polka dot. So you can, this color is Flirty Flamingo. You can make them dark, you can make them light. I'm just going to go all over and make some little polka dots, and then I'm going to move on to my next color, which is So Saffron. And when I'm doing this, rather than space them out too much, I actually like to put the polka dots a little bit together. I don't know why. Sometimes I space them out, sometimes I think it's because if you just completely space them out, I think it just looks better grouped a little bit. Okay, so that was Petal Pink, and now we're going to use Pretty Peacock. Pretty Peacock is pretty dark. I probably should have toned it down a bit, but it's still cute. Okay, and the next one is Old Olive. And I'm going to reuse this pink for Rococo Rose. Okay, so we've made like a polka dotted background. I'm going to move these inks out of the way again. So we've got this polka dotted background now, which is really cute, and it looks kind of birthday-ish. And this time I've gone ahead and I've cut it out and mounted it onto this piece. And I think I'm just going to leave it there for now. I'm not 100% sure where I want it to go. And I have this base that is one of the bases that comes in the card kit, card base. And it doesn't matter which base color you use, but I think that it always looks nice to have one of the polka dots matching the base color, just so that there's, you know, a matching color there. It just always looks nicer that way. And I'm going to bring in this Wishes stamp. And I stamped birthday and cut a little banner with it, and I'm just going to attach it to the top of the birthday card like this. So I guess what I'll do first, I'll go in order here. I'll attach the base to the card. And then I think I'll attach this next. Just going to have it crossing over the top here. I guess it would be good to follow the lines on the card. There we go. And then I'm just going to trim it. There we go. There, so you have a little birthday banner, and we'll just attach this quickly. What in the world is going on with this tape? It's just so wonky this month. Okay, yeah, we'll put it right about there. And then we'll peel off the wishes. There, so there's another little birthday card, Birthday Wishes, and it's got a really cute polka dot background.